ginamit na awards. So we will be having FE final awards for the search for best Nutri headdress. So first is we have the best Nutri headdress. We have also the best use of recycled indigenous materials and the most creative Nutri headdress. And of course, we shall be having the overall winner for the best Nutri headdress for this year's Nutrition Month 2025. Thank you so much.